Hello, today I'm going to show you our Doall C-305NC. 305 is millimeter for 12-inch capacity, NC as in the control. Got the hydraulic operated chip conveyor, there's the gusher coolant pump. You have the infinite variable speeds. Drive over here. Take a look at the serial number. It's a 1994 machine. This is a rebuilt machine. It came in and somehow the bearings had seized up in the gearbox. We replaced the bearings, made a shaft, go through it. We look at the hoses, the wires, the seals, etc., and replace anything that needed along the way. Go ahead and hit it, Dave. Rear vise is moving back. Head coming down. If you're not familiar with this saw, this is the rapid. The head will rapid until it hits that. Then on the return, once that drops down, it'll just return a little bit so it doesn't waste any production time cutting air. Nice little discharge area with the holes in it for coolant. Another hole over here. Here it comes. We're just putting in wood. I don't know how good this blade is. We could get more. We can cut metal. We welcome your suggestions. And here it's a nice, smooth, quiet running machine. Oh, I'm up close. We have a lot of machines on the floor, especially a lot of saws. I'd love to hear about your sawing needs. Take a look at that control. We got job number 15. The length is 2 inches. Cuts, 3 cuts. And then when it's done, it shuts off. It's done now. So now it just sits there and waits. Work light. Have the joystick control on the Doalls. The Doalls are a very heavy built machine. This little 12-inch machine comes in at about 4,000 pounds. Massive, easy to rebuild. I'm going to turn that off so we can hear ourselves think. This is the drive wheel. This is all gearbox back here. It's all cast gearbox. Very huge and very large bearings for that, and wide support to give the machine stability. This one comes with an extra in-feed table. These are heavy duty from Doall, made to take the weight. It's a simple design, easy to work on. Hydraulic blade clamping. Again, this rod here, the machine rapids until it hits that. You don't have to bother setting the height on this machine. It's automatic. Once it hits the first piece, it goes into the feed mode. And then when it comes up, once this comes back down again, it stops lifting. You can see it's going to cut a minimum amount of air. Over on this end, you have full strokes of your vices. So you don't have to play around with the ratcheting vise ever. There's your hydraulic blade clamp. We don't just clean them, we rebuild them. See something that needs to be fixed or replaced, we take care of it. We don't want these coming back. We want you to be happy. I'll get back here and give you a shot from this side. There you go. That is our Doall C-305NC rebuilt. Thanks for viewing.